At Wells Cutting Edge, we create outdoor living crafted just for you. We pride ourselves on communication. We pride ourselves on the quality of work that we are able to perform for you. We pride ourselves on listening to your vision. It is crafted just for you. That is our goal, is to make sure that you get what you're looking for. We love outdoor ponds. They're one of our favorites. We love installing them. We love sitting by them. We love listening to them. In fact, when we install them, it's hard for us to leave sometimes because we just love sitting there and watching it. There's just something about a pond that brings tranquility. It brings emotion. It brings joy. It brings memories. That's what this is all about. Wells Cutting Edge is making memories with these ponds. You're making memories as you sit and listen to the water feature and the water run down into the pond, as you see the fish come up and nibble, as you see the plants start to grow and encompass the pond and all the area around it, as you sit and talk to your children or your spouse, your significant other, a best friend. If water could talk, I am sure that we would learn so much because of all the conversations that have been talked about around a pond. We follow a strict process as we are a certified aquascape contractor. This gives us the opportunity to make sure that we are installing a quality product at a quality rate, making sure that you, as our customer, is able to get what you deserve and desire. If you're looking for a pond to make those memories, give us a call today. We look forward to hearing from you.